It's beautiful. So many technology, so many machines.
I like this showroom.
Yeah, I love it.
And JX50.
So everyone recently released it, and we already put the new machine on the showroom. Already we have the fresh machine, and you can see new product on the showroom. You can experience it. Hello machinist, I'm Nakamura from Nakamura-Tome. So today I'm here in front of new factory Magi. So everybody, do you remember the Magi? I think yes. So today it's the first time to show you new showroom at factory Magi. Do you wanna see it? It's a little bit odd. So it's our factory and we enter in and we experience it. But today we'll see it at customer-like viewpoint. Let's experience together. So let's go. Okay, now in front of the door. Let's open together.
Welcome to Nakamura-Tome.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, Hiro, looks good. Yeah, I'm good. Okay.
I'm also good.
It's the first time to hear. Welcome to Nakamura-Tome from you.
Yeah, yes. You're a customer. Right?
Oh, today.
Yes.
I need to be the customer viewpoint.
Yes.
I need to experience new showroom. Hiro will introduce the new showroom to me and for all the viewers. Okay. So today it's a real version, non-stop machine talk. Hiro will explain us and then we stop it. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Oh, it's exciting.
My pleasure.
Okay, let's stop together and let's experience together.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So, Hiro.
Oh,
we can see beautiful showroom and many multitasking machines. What the concept of this new showroom?
Yes, this concept is invisible challenges into visible values.
Oh, so customer can bring their drawings, their workpiece, and their task, and some burden for manufacturing. And then let's solve it together. That is their concept.
Right. That is our concept. Yes.
It will be nice show. So I can see the many machines.
Yes.
Maybe all multitasking machines, all Nakamura machine.
Right.
How many machines you have?
Totally 15 machines.
15 machines?
We have exhibit. Yes.
So when you come here, you can experience all jam of our multitasking machine. That's good. Okay, Hiro. Can we
Let's
open
go in. Open.
So, wow. It's beautiful. So many technology, so many machines. So congratulations.
You're welcome. Yes. I like this showroom.
Yeah, I love it. And we have the 2 corridors.
Yes.
And 1 center line here.
Right.
And 2.
Very wide.
Oh, it's very wide.
Yes. Please come to here.
Okay.
To see the exhibit.
Okay, Hiro.
Yes.
Is this our spindle in our machine?
Right. This is really our spindle.
Oh, this is a spindle box. And we have the spindle inside here. And there's a chuck cylinder.
Chuck cylinder, yes.
All spindle unit.
Yes. I have one quiz.
One quiz?
Yes, for you. Okay. Which spindle headstock is left and right?
Wow, this got question, Hiro. It looks like very similar.
Right.
I think this is left side.
Okay.
And this is the right side. Maybe you always switch it. I know.
The answer is this side is the left spindle.
This is the left.
Right.
Okay.
This side the right spindle.
Oh, I was mistaken. It looks like very similar.
Very similar.
Very similar structure.
Right.
We always say we never call sub spindle on the right.
Right.
We have the both main spindle.
Yes.
Wow. So this is why. Stop. One question from me. And there's a chuck cylinder. Is the chuck cylinder in-house made?
Yes. It's also in-house made.
Wow. So this all spindle unit?
Yes.
Is made in Nakamura?
Yeah, made in Nakamura.
Oh, it's very good.
Yes, because the spindle is very important unit for multitasking machine and lathe. That's why we made by ourselves.
That's why we make pallet unit, index unit, also spindle unit by ourselves.
right?
Oh, we can experience that's the future. Okay. Now second corridor in our showroom.
Right.
Wow.
Very wide.
So GX200, NTX 300, and
JX50.
so everyone recently
Right.
released it, and we already put the new machine on the showroom. So I think it's a big future of machines to be the showroom,
Yep.
like Nakamura-Tome showroom.
Yep.
So we have the new machine. Always we have the fresh machine, and you can see new product on the showroom. You can experience. Stop.
Otto.
One question.
Sure, of course, yes. Oh, I'm a little bit scared.
Not a
Yes.
plan.
Okay.
Not tell you what the content.
Okay, okay.
So my question is,
Yep.
how to make a layout of these many machines in the showroom?
Yes, then we always compare two machines.
Ah,
NT Flex here and plus here.
okay.
Also, you see, AS200 and 200L.
So we can offer, it depends on the customer request, depends on the workpiece.
Right,
And at that time also, we can compare several machines to select one.
right.
I know you put a small machine to bigger machine. It's come to be, looks like more small.
You are so smart. So,
Okay. Okay, Hiro.
yeah,
Here is AC202L.
yes,
And what's the demonstration here?
yes. You know, this showroom is not just about watching. It's also about hands-on experience. So, for example, here you can experience the airbag function.
Stop it. So hold on. What's the experience of airbag?
Yes,
Can we experience collision in the
right.
machine?
Yes, yes.
I
You
cannot
can do
believe
that.
it.
You can do that. You can do that. Yes.
So airbag is a function to detect the motor load and reduce the damage of collision.
Right.
It's a standard function for all Nakamura machines. It's
Yes.
very important function.
Right.
However, can we experience it?
Yes.
I cannot believe it, everybody.
Yes. Of course, it's just like a demo, dummy tool. So you can try it using the dummy tool and see the difference with or without airbag. Okay. So now go ahead and press the start button. Show.
Wow. Everybody, I'm really nervous now. So if I press the button,
Yep.
if I crash this machine,
Yes.
so maybe I need to apologize to all guys in Nakamura-Tome in next morning.
Yes. Of course.
Tomorrow
Yes.
morning. Yeah,
No,
I'm
no,
really
no.
nervous, but
Yeah.
I trust you here.
Yes.
Okay, I will press the
Please.
button.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start.
Auditani.
Wow, it's crash. It's without airbag. So dummy 2 is now drop off from the holder.
Right. That is without airbag.
Okay, it means the machine cannot stop
Yes.
and keep go
Going.
forward.
Yep.
And then after that is a holder damage, in the workpiece damage, maybe can be defeated.
Right. And the spindle alignment
Wow.
also.
They need a call to the service center
Yes.
and need to bring the engineer
Yep.
to fix the machine.
Right.
It takes a time, also it takes a money.
You're right. Yes. That
Yeah.
is not good for customer side. So.
I think so. So now, can we also experience experience airbag?
Yes.
Without that, we just collision the machine.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Start again.
Yes, please. Auditani.
Oh,
You see?
the dummy too. Never
Yep.
drop it.
Right.
Really?
And also you can see the clearance between the dummy tool and the workpiece.
Here we have the space
Right.
between the two and workpiece.
Right.
It means the machine can do reverse positioning. Wow.
So this one is just touching and 1 millisecond move back.
Oh, 1 millisecond.
1 millisecond.
So when we detect the motor load of the 1 millisecond and that reverse positioning.
Right.
So it means make the speed. Then reduce damage of it.
Right. You're right.
Stop.
Huh?
So stop it. I have a question for that.
Okay.
So I hear now it's a 1 millisecond,
Yep.
but a long time ago, maybe Hero entered in company and several years passed.
Okay.
You experienced different time about that.
Right.
I hear.
Okay.
That is a legend talk or something.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. What is that?
8 milliseconds.
8 milliseconds.
Right. It was 8
What's a
milliseconds.
big difference?
Right.
It's me come to be more damage
Right.
to collision. Now, 1 millisecond,
Right.
the evolving the airbag reduce the damage of collision,
Right.
so more than before.
Yeah, you're right. So
I
80
understand.
milliseconds, 4 milliseconds, finally 1 millisecond.
Okay, everybody please question to our guy. Maybe you can understand when they enter in Nakamura-Tome. Okay, Hiro.
Yep.
So we have another demonstration
Right.
here.
NT Work Navigator.
Oh,
You can do.
That's also standard function of Nakamura-Tome.
Right.
Ah.
Very popular and standard function for
Okay.
Nakamura-Tome. Yeah.
So what is the anti-work navigator?
Yes, NT Work Navigator is detected the workpiece positioning and length.
So we can detect the phase of the workpiece
Right.
and immediately start the machine.
Right. Phase and length.
Length also?
Yeah.
Mhm. So can we experience it?
Sure, of course.
Wow.
Yes.
It's also good. It's not many customers understand anti-work navigator well, so I think it's good to experience it, understand it.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's do it. Then, so
This is the workpiece. Yeah.
this is the workpiece.
Yeah.
Okay. See? Oh, that's a complex workpiece.
Right. Different like a shape
Yeah.
and casting.
Yeah. Near net shape material.
Right.
So normally we need to pin jig fixture,
Right.
and we need to fix it the proper
Yeah.
angle and proper phase.
Right.
Then start machine.
Yes.
So we need to set up. So for each workpiece.
Right.
That's the top.
Yeah.
And then
Now it's
Today.
just a three
Three-jaw
jaw
chuck.
chuck.
That is a power chuck.
Yeah. Standard
Then-
three chuck. Yeah.
we roughly chuck it.
Right.
Okay.
Very roughly.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Really? I can't understand. So it's a auto door and door, close.
Close or door. Start.
Oh,
program.
let's start.
Yep. You see,
Yeah.
Navi bar is coming.
Oh, navi bar.
Yeah.
That's a normal round bar.
Yeah.
Okay, touch it, touch it,
That's it.
touch it, touch it again.
Yep.
Then
No touching.
no touching. And C-axis rotate.
Rotating shears.
Touch it. At that time, so we detect the motor load.
Right.
Then send geometry to NC.
Right. You're right. Then machine knows the position.
That's it.
Right.
Wow.
Cool. End milling.
Smoothly start the milling
Right.
operation.
OD side end mill operation.
Okay.
Yep.
Then next,
Next.
indexing. Drilling
Drilling.
operation start.
Yeah.
Wow. They know proper geometry now.
Finish.
It's very nice. It's all standard Nakamura-Tome
Right.
function for free.
Yes. Wow.
Super nice.
Nice function, isn't it? Yeah.
Thank you, Hiro.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Okay, Hiro.
Yep.
Here is our operation panel.
Right.
NT-Smart X.
X.
So here,
Yep.
today, can we touch Protona?
Of course, yes.
Oh, really? The new conversational
Right.
software.
Hand-on experience.
Handle
You can do.
experience. Yeah, very
Yeah.
nice. So what's the Protona mean?
Yeah. Protona means programming professional.
Pro mean programming professional.
Right.
What's the mean tone?
Tone means music symphony.
It's great multitasking program is like elegant music.
Right. Elegant music, isn't it?
So it's a Protona.
Yes.
So anyone can make
Right.
multitasking program.
Right.
It's the first time to see that kind of dedicated programming software.
Even the beginner also can
Okay.
do make a multitasking program.
That's a good thing. I think that's a good programming function
Okay.
for all customers.
Right.
Okay. So can we touch it?
Sure.
Mhm.
So Shongo, today I have a drawing.
Okay.
Okay. Shall we start to
Of course.
making a program?
Of course. Of course.
Okay. By using a Protona.
Okay. Finish. How long does it take it?
2 minutes 41 seconds.
Oh, maybe it's nice result. I think.
I
Number
think
one.
so. I
Number
think so. Maybe number one.
Okay, we have ranking here. So that is it's ranking gaming.
Yep.
The experience
Time attack.
time attack.
Yes.
Wow. So number one, it's our customer.
Yes.
Also, we know him in social media. and I'm here.
Yes.
And free challenge. So our record. Okay, now we finished. So we experienced all demonstration today. So it was very exciting. I'm very satisfied as customer like Wheelbase. So
Okay.
it's very nice.
Thank you so much. Yes, it's my pleasure. Yes.
Okay, so I hear that this showroom keep evolving.
Right.
What's your plan?
Yes, we have a lot of plan. For example, next plan is Doctor tool, the new software. Doctor tool, the software. If the customer brings the drill and end mill, we can try taking the tool live and breakage at that time, at the same time. And also, we are planning to oscillation, cutting, and also the triangle cutting for tool cutting chip problem to clear.
Wow, so many future plans you have. We have the many plans to evolve this showroom. And when we come first time, then second time will be different. And we hope all our customers bring your drawing, bring your workpiece, and bring your feature task, and then we make solution together. And let's cut the bundle manufacturing. So everyone, if you like this video, please subscribe and press I rate. See you, machinists! Bye!
Bye.